What's up, everyone? It's just about 12:30 and we're about to disembark with the good old Jeep Wrangler. Not every day I would recommend towing with the Jeep Wrangler, but we still need to get an engine and everything with this truck. That'll be on the project list. Get this going so we can actually use it. Oh, there's my orange. I forgot about that. It's propping up the 747 transmission. 727. 747. Oh my God, very excited. We're gonna go pick up it's a 19, I believe a 71 Buick Skylark, which has a really good frame from Las Vegas. And thanks a lot. Thank you very, very much, Mr. Vacca. Absolutely awesome. I appreciate it greatly. And I'm very, very, very looking forward to transferring everything from our old Buick GS to the other Buick so that we, well, Buick frame, so that we can have a running car on the road way quicker than I ever imagined. I thought this was going to be a long project, and not that I'm upset with doing a long project, just I really want to get something together and that's classic and ageless, timeless, I guess you would say. Anyways, very excited. Let's get the Jeep out and over to the meeting spot. All right, we are now at the rendezvous location, which is actually fairly slick for a parking lot, but about 15 minutes from now he should be here. It's a lot more crowded than I was expecting, so I don't know, we'll see what happens when he gets here, and hopefully allows us to film getting it on here. I am very, very excited about this. I've always loved my Supra, but I've always wanted a classic muscle car, and not only that, I wanted a Chevelle. And I gotta say, the Buick is a much more attractive looking version, I think. I personally think so. And so I'm really excited. Maybe we'll have it on the road by spring. And found out that the transmission is a turbo 400, so we have to find a manual. So I'm trying to sell the turbo 400 right now to help put it towards the manual transmission. So now we just wait. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get out of this parking lot. We've been here long enough. All right, guys, so the question of, can a Jeep pull a car up that hill? Yes, it can. Actually, I was very surprised, but I figured that'd be easier to back it in coming down the hill than trying to back it in going up the hill. And I was right. I am definitely not used to driving a trailer quite yet, but we have chains on the front of it and a ratchet strap. We got it ratcheted down. I can't believe we have a nice frame. On my way home, I was just thinking how excited I am. Guys, parts bash coming from you all the way from Las Vegas. Look at that. And I mean, it has some surface rust here and there, but it's nice and solid. I mean, guys, so what do you guys think? So I would like to get this, now that we have a nice frame, as a daily driver. But here's my thought. Wow, the Skylark, I actually thought they would look a lot more similar, but they do actually have slightly different body lines. Like through here, the body line for there is different. Oh, it's pretty close. Maybe this one was just rolled a little bit different. I don't know. Anyways, so obviously this is not a complete shell, and it is really, really rough. Like, God, I thought mine was a little rough, but no, that thing is, like, look at that. Anyways, here's my thoughts. What about a gambler out of this? You know, we'll take and cut this frame up and build it so that we can handle horsepower and everything like that, but use this frame for this car, turn this into a gambler. You know, tires and everything. I don't know. Here's my thoughts. We'll work on this first. I really need to get the truck running so that I can tow vehicles, so I think it'll be from here to there, then to the Supra, and then we'll see what we have after that. I know the body's really, there's not really much left of this. It's all right in some spots and it's really bad in others. Hey, it came with a beer can. Oh, geez. Oh, getting down here. Look at that big dent right there in the floor pan. That's crazy. So one thing I do want to look into is strengthen this frame. I've been reading up quite a bit about how to upgrade the GMA body frame. So oh, look at these wheels. These wheels are great. Oh, there's a little dent in that one. I don't know. I mean, I still like these way more, and I would still like to upgrade this to nice big rotor brakes. But anyways, guys, it was actually a lot longer day for me than it kind of looked like for you guys. I thought I actually put this on the time lapse when the car was being loaded on. The gentleman, if you ever want a long hauler, see if I can't find his card. He did this for so cheap, and he was very professional. I don't know how well you guys can see that. He's not paying me to do this or anything, but absolutely phenomenal. He was able to back his 10-car hauler up to this trailer, which was pretty impressive to me, as I'm not a person that can handle it, but he does it every day. And he was able to get the car right onto my trailer, which was a blessing, because I didn't know how I was going to be able to get it here otherwise. And for now, I think I'm going to go inside, have a nice cup of, I don't know, I would like to have hot chocolate, but we don't have hot chocolate. But something warm, because it was cold. And the Jeep saved my my bacon again, guys. Look at that. Buick. Huh. I noticed that this has, is this just something from the Skylark? I don't know. Let's see what's in the trunk. What's in the trunk? It's like, what's in the box? Oh man, if you can't tell, I'm very excited. Very, very, very excited. I'm so excited, I'm gonna try cutting this wire with nothing more than yeah, because I mean, on the other one, there's nothing left of that at all. On the other frame, there's nothing left. We're gonna need some body mount. Yeah, brought what kind of yeah. So I have a 10 bolt diff in this thing, so that's really cool. We'll transfer that over to here. We won't use the one that's under here. Can you cut copper wire? I'm an electrician. You'd think I'd have like linesmen's on it. But yes, you can cut copper wire with just a regular knife. Make sure it's a high steel one. What's in the Skylark? Ooh. Oh, regular air cleaner housing. Look at that, some push rods. What's that? Ooh, got a clutch fan. Let's see what else is hiding in here. Actually, the floor pan in this is a lot better than mine. We'll probably salvage the trunk pan. I was hoping that this was in better shape than mine, but it most certainly is not. This one is, I'd say, just as bad, but in a different spot. You can see they were trying to salvage something. Oh, there's still a door handle on the side. Ooh. Squeaky. This floor pan is just about as bad as mine. Ooh, cloth seats. They are gross. Gross. What do we have in here? Huh. All right, guys, I'm gonna go inside where it's warm because I am cold. I am very, very excited, guys. Oh boy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to have a couple people come over and have a few beers and get this body off and that body on. Let's see. We have a tilt steering wheel in this one, and doesn't look like that's a tilt to me. Maybe we can reuse that steering wheel. My steering wheel is totally falling apart. Hey, look at that. I like how small this steering wheel is compared to the other one. It's a neat color too. Not that I'd want one. It's kind of like 70s brown. Oh, look at that. It's actually, wow, that's a rough paint job. I wonder if that was original. And this one's not an AC body, but I'm very glad mine is. Oh man, it's cold out here. Sweet. No holes in that frame. That just bumped this project up probably like a year. That's awesome. All right, guys, have a great night.